Hey, Owen, you might have stumped me on this one. Let me just go through a couple of ideas. So, presumably, you have a link over here that says course content. Um, do you see the little, I call these chevrons, or they're called chevrons right here. If you click it and you want to make sure that, like, for example, when you create it, you want to make sure you make it accessible. So, for example, let me just show you what I mean. If I go to content area, and if I'm calling this practice folder, I'll call it practice folder. Make sure you click this to available to users, which I think you said you did. Now, do you see how there's a gray box right here? That means there's nothing in this folder yet. So click on that, or that tab, I should say. And now I'm going to build my content folders, which I think you did. Content folder 1. I think you said you made this permit users to view this content. I think it automatically goes there, but just in case, maybe that's what went wrong. So make sure you click there and then hit submit. Then in that folder, I think what I heard you say is that you added some files. Let me just show you what I did again. I went to build content, files, file 1, browse computer, grab whatever file on your computer that you wanted to put in there. So let me just find a document somewhere. There we go. I do like to open a new window, and maybe right here where it says permit users to view this content, maybe for some reason this wasn't clicked as yes. Make sure that's clicked as yes. I'm just trying to think of all the different things that might have gone wrong. Now, remember, do you see how up here there was a little gray box, which meant that there was no content? Now you see that gray box under practice folder is done. So if I click on that tab, and then course content folder 1, and there's my first file. Now you mentioned that you couldn't see it when you were in preview mode, so let me just check. I'm going to enter student preview, make sure that all my students can see it. And it's here, practice folder, course content, and file 1. So all of that should be there. I don't know why they're not seeing it if you've done all of those things. So maybe this can help you. Maybe this didn't. Maybe I don't know what to tell you. Hopefully you found something helpful there.